Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or change your email address on your Facebook business page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your Facebook page, and you want to select the About tab. And now on the right side, or I guess now on the left side underneath About, make sure you have Contact and Basic Info selected. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down, and where it should say underneath Contact Info, add an email. Go ahead and select that. Go ahead and type in your email address here, and then you would select Save to save it. Now, if it already was in here, but you just wanted to change it, you just would select the three-dotted icon here and select Edit or Delete, and then you could just modify it. So again, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.